3.2 version is also coming in April. They are working on it. So even today, if you are using bank website which is using SSL or AES or blowfish encryption, my dear friends, you are not fully secure. Anything can be done with heartbleed, etc. Okay. So as a cyber security expert, I can be opening some areas because ज़्यादातर तो मैं नहीं बोलूँगा क्योंकि मैं सिर्फ examples को explain करूँगा. And after that, I will be showing you that this country. Okay. Can anybody tell me what is the encryption which is used by Parliament for securing the information? And you will be afraid that India has not updated itself from the last 10 years. Which encryption you are using? You study about cryptography in your classes? Network security? We have DES, we have 3DES, we have AES, we have blowfish, etc. Okay? Have anybody done it practically? How the plain text is converted to ciphertext? MD5. You have done with using Linux. Okay? With PHP. That PHP is having some application. You can say, like suppose that if I want to have a code like how many visitors are there, how much visits have been done, so you can just copy paste that code into your website and you can have that. But what you have actually done? Have you created your own algorithm? Have you created? I will show you how practically it can work. Just give the plain text, mark the algorithm, and will give you the ciphertext. Okay? In India, the Parliament security is on DES, 56-bit. Afraid? I am also afraid. That is the reason penetration testers from China and Pakistan are always blocking our Parliament website. Even Narendra Modi website was also hacked because it was only having 128-bit encryption. It was not even 192. AES to badi dur ki baat hai. So that's the reason our country is always sitting on the area of vulnerabilities, and that's the word called vulnerability. What is vulnerability? No. Loopholes. Vulnerability means loopholes. Now what is meant by authorization and authentication? Practically बताओगे? Live examples. Like suppose if you are sitting in the class of C++, अगर आप inheritance, polymorphism को अगर आप real word से correlate नहीं करते, आपका C++ का lecture पूरा नहीं होता है. Isn't it? So what is meant by authorization and authentication? पढ़ा आपने? सभी ने पढ़ा? कोई practical example से मुझे explain करो. Real word से मैम explain करते हैं. आपको दिमाग में जाएगा concept. Okay, suppose, let me give you the answer. Suppose from Delhi airport you take a flight to Australia, okay, and you go to custom clearance, okay. What they will do? They will authenticate you with your password, that what details you are given in passport are real or not. And after that, you go outside. Are you authorized to drive a taxi? Are you authorized to vote? No, that's called authorization. Authentication always start with a username and password, and that's why we use an AND operator, okay. Username and password, which means when we go and sign in, we use an AND operator. And what is authorization in that? You can only visit your own email. You cannot see the email of other persons. So that's called authorization. Like suppose you cannot install a printer, you cannot install a hardware. This is called authorization. So in terms of system administration, the authorization and authentication is always done. And believe me everyone, when I go for cyber security, 90% of the loopholes are with authorization only. Because why? If I'm splitting a code of a website with SQL injection, I'm just spoiling the authorization, nothing else. Authentication can be lost. But what about authorization? That is a problem in today's cyber security. You have to work on authorization rather than authentication. That's the answer. Okay. So information is an asset. I've written to knowledge derived from any source, and it should be suitably protected. Because today we live in IT, so information has to be properly protected. So information can be unclassified, information can be sensitive, information can be confidential, it can be secret, it can be top secret. Okay. Now can anybody tell me, we know about RAW? RAW. What is the full form of RAW? Okay. Can you tell me which is the most sophisticated intelligence agency in this planet? If you talk of FBI or CIA, my dear friend, you are not even near. What is the name of Russia intelligence agency? रशिया के पास क्या है? जैसे हमारे पास रॉ है, पाकिस्तान के पास क्या है? ISI. What's with Russia? KGB. What's with Israel? What's with Israel? The Israel is Mossad. It's the most, having the most technical and the most sophisticated technical hardware on this planet. Mossad is having the high-end security towards its website and web servers. Okay? So where we have the top secret information. Even our Indian information can also be breached out. That's why अभी recently आपने देखा होगा पिछले साल पाकिस्तानी साइबर आर्मी ने CBI का वेबसाइट हैक कर दिया था. Isn't it? So that was a secret information जो चाइनीज चुरा के लेके गए थे. But मोसाद एक ऐसी चीज है which has not been hacked even by anonymous also. Who is anonymous? Totally unknown. कोई बता सकता है लास्ट टाइम एनोनिमस को जब एफबीआई ने ट्रैक किया था तो कहां पर मिला था? बट वो उन्होंने कहा था कि सर लोकेशन यहां पर थी, बट एक लास्ट लोकेशन में वो सबनेट नहीं ढूंढ पाए थे. व्हाट वाज दैट? दैट सिग्नल वाज कमिंग फ्रॉम ताइवान. It was coming from Taiwan, but mostly people believe that anonymous is a Russian, but we scientists believe that might be anonymous is a Chinese. We believe. Now, how many of you know about a conference called DEF CON? ये लिख लो सभी. DEF CON. हैकिंग को अगर सही सीखना है तो हर साल बैंगलोर में DEF CON कॉन्फ्रेंस होता है. यू जस्ट पे अ विजिट. और जब मैं लास्ट टाइम वहां पर गया था तो मैंने लाइव स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में से 5 लाख का इलीगल ट्रांसफर होते देखा था. SBI का वेबसाइट और इवन की PNB वेबसाइट इज ऑलवेज हैविंग अ वेलनरेबिलिटी इन दैट. और बिलीव मी दैट हैकर वाज ओनली 17 years old and he has told me that I can even transfer all the PayPal accounts to my name. He has decrypted the even Blowfish algorithm. So with DEF CON conference, you can have all the latest hacking activities and cyber security activities coming over there. Okay? So we always have lost, destroyed, etc. अब मैं आपको एक टिप देने वाला हूं. रात को हमने कंप्यूटर बंद करते हैं, शटडाउन करते हैं, सुबह नहीं चलता, विंडोज क्रैश, बैकअप लेना ही भूल गए. क्या होगा? शायद हम अपने आप को टेंशन करेंगे या हम अपने आप को एक्यूज भी करेंगे, यार ये क्या हो गया, और हाथ पैर सूज जाएंगे हमारे. इजंट इट? डेटा चला गया. डी और ई का तो हम रिकवर कर लेंगे बिकॉज हम इंस्टॉलेशन विंडोज की करेंगे तो किसमें करेंगे? सी ड्राइव पे. इजंट इट? लेकिन व्हाट अबाउट द सी ड्राइव डेटा जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स में था, वो तो चला गया. इजंट इट? फॉर्मेट हो गया. लेकिन माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, टुडे आई विल गिव यू वन टिप. आई विल गिव यू सिनेरियो जिससे आप लाइव डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन करके अगर आपकी विंडोज क्रैश भी हो जाए तो भी आप अपने सिस्टम में से अपने डेटा को निकाल सकते हैं. ठीक है? सबसे पहले तो हमें क्या चाहिए? एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. जैसे हम अपने कंप्यूटर को बूट करते हैं, किससे बूट करते हैं? सीडी से, डीवीडी से या फ्लॉपी से. हमें चाहिए हमारा एक पेन ड्राइव. मैं अब आपको एक वेबसाइट बताने वाला हूं. यू हैव टू इंस्टॉल अ लिनक्स कॉपी इन दैट पेन ड्राइव. ओके? द लिनक्स कैन बी आइदर पपी, इट कैन बी आइदर नॉपिक्स. आई विल गिव यू वेबसाइट, देन आई विल टेल यू नेक्स्ट व्हाट आई विल डू. अब मैं आपको ये बताता हूं कि अगर आपका विंडोज क्रैश भी हो जाए तो भी घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू हैव दैट टिप. और फिर मैं आपको बताता हूं कि अगर चांस है आपकी पेन ड्राइव अगर फॉर्मेट हो जाए तो कौन से सॉफ्टवेयर से हम उसको इजीली रिकवर कर सकते हैं. वी कैन रिकवर इट. द वेबसाइट इज pendrivelinux.com. Boot and run Linux from a USB and flash memory. Everything is given into that. Every tips. Okay? So Linux installer, everything. So what you have to do, install that Linux into your pen drive. Boot your system via pen drive. It will start. And after that, insert another pen drive into USB port. Copy paste the data of C drive into that pen drive. And then after what you have to do, install the Windows. No data loss. So अगर अगली बार अगर आपका Windows crash हो जाए, so don't get tensed. That's my answer. Okay? Liked or not? That's the answer. So there are 3 things in that is called confidentiality, integrity and availability. And today we have passwords, we have HR information, but everything is get unauthorized. Now can anybody tell me what is meant by the database attack? What is known as a database attack in that? SQL injection. That's the answer. Clap for him please. SQL injection. लेकिन बेटा अब एक बार आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूंगा. कैन यू प्लीज स्टैंड अप? हाँ जी. आपका जो डेटाबेस था वो एक ट्रेडिशनल डेटाबेस था, बट अब जो डेटाबेस बन रहा है वो किस पे बन रहा है? ऊप्स पर. दैट्स कॉल्ड C++. ठीक है? तो कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द लेटेस्ट डेटाबेसेस व्हिच आर कमिंग?
NoSQL.
NoSQL.
Yeah, big data.
Big data. Big data is coming. Yeah. But what is the name exactly of that software like we install
MongoDB. MongoDB is
MongoDB. MongoDB is good, but what is another thing? You are having a very good knowledge. आज तक मुझे किसी ने ऐसी knowledge नहीं दिखाई है. Believe me. And I can say proudly that today RDAIS is a good campus in my eyes. Very good campus in my eyes. Where students have knowledge. and all credit goes to the teachers and especially to ma'am. Great HOD. Yes, मैम आप लकी हैं कि बच्चे ऐसे हैं आपके पास. Yes, yes बेटा. MongoDB के बाद आप किसके ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं?
We can work on Hadoop also.
Yes, that's the answer. That Hadoop. बैठ जाओ. मुझे लगता है मैम बच्चों को खड़ा कर देना चाहिए. I don't require. मेरे ख्याल से बच्चों को काफी नॉलेज है. ठीक है. So this is the integrity where we have email encryption, digital signature, and system integrity. Okay. Now for email encryption, what you will use? What you will use? Which software you will use? My question. Which software you will use for email encryption? और अब मैं आपको एक हैकिंग बताने वाला हूं. द सॉफ्टवेयर इज कॉल्ड PGP, प्रीटी गुड प्राइवेसी. अब मैं आपको एक वेबसाइट बताता हूं. यू जस्ट बाइंड दैट वेबसाइट विद योर ईमेल आईडी एंड सेंड दैट ईमेल टू योर फ्रेंड. व्हेन ही विल चेक दैट ईमेल, he will check that naturally, he will click on it, his operating system, his IP address, his all the softwares which are installed on his system and what is his username will be emailed back to you. The website is called readnotify.com. It's called readnotify.com. Sir is very busy towards hacking. I think so that he wants to hack more people. Okay. Availability. It's okay, sir. शाम को हैक करिए लोगों को. Backup of critical data, incident response, business contingency. So this is the integrity where we have to maintain confidentiality and availability into that. Now, I am giving you another tip now. I am giving you an Android app through which you can improve your photography to a greater extent. No doubt we have Google Camera, we have inbuilt photo effects, etc. The website is called, the app is called Snapseed, SNAPSEED, where you can have manual effects of that. और कभी कभी हम लोग DSLR कैमरा भी यूज करते हैं, isn't it? Where we have to set the ISO, aperture, etc. Now I'm giving you one more Snapseed. Okay. Now I'm giving you one more tip through which you can make your camera a DSLR camera of any mobile phone of Android. The app is called Manual Cam. Manual Cam. आप इसमें जाके अपनी aperture settings, अपनी ISO setting, अपना exposure सब set कर सकते हो. Like you have a DSLR camera and you can have your shooting like a professional portraits. Okay, you can shoot up to 70 mm in that. Now, what is called data loss prevention? It's a combination of people, process, and technology where you have to prevent the data from the different aspects. So I am again having the processing, storage, and transmission medium. And now let me give you this. I have already told you about vulnerability. It's called a system hole. Okay. Now I will give you a software. I give you a software, install on Linux, whether it's a Ubuntu, whether it's a Backtrack, whether it's a Kali Linux, you will find exploits into your own system. The software is called Metasploit. Metasploit or Metasploit, one and the same thing. You can do over there and you can have various vulnerability fixes. और इवन की मैं आपको रिसेंटली बताना चाहूंगा तो अब आपका शेल शॉक और हार्ट ब्लीड बग भी इससे आप वेनरेबल फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं विद द लेटेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ 0.8.7. कब लॉन्च हुआ था? कब लॉन्च हुआ था? डेट? December 10:39 AM. Okay, now this is the vulnerability cycle where you can find the bugs, intruders and discover new vulnerabilities. और इवन की मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा रिसेंटली अभी एक Xbox के अंदर एक 3 साल के बच्चे ने एक बग फाइंड आउट किया है with that vulnerability and Microsoft is going to pay him $7 million. He has opened his father's account without any password, and with this Metasploit, if you are able to find any bug of Google or Microsoft, you can earn millions of dollars. Millions of dollars. Now I'm giving you one software. जब चोर को चोरी करनी होती है वो क्या करता है सबसे पहले? There are two types of attacks. कौन से अटैक्स होते हैं? एक्टिव एंड पैसिव. नेचुरल बात है, हमें एक्टिव अटैक तो हम कब करते हैं? जब हमें टूल्स के साथ करना है, लेकिन सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ता है? पैसिव अटैक. तो पैसिव अटैक के लिए हमें यह पता होना चाहिए कि वेबसाइट का नाम क्या है, आईपी एड्रेस क्या है, उसमें कौन कौन से पोर्ट्स ओपन है. सो फॉर दैट आई एम गिविंग यू टू सॉफ्टवेयर्स कॉल्ड information gathering. ठीक है. So for that we need to have two softwares called, one is called a free software and the second is called a paid software. वो मैं आपको बताता हूं और उसके बाद मैं आपको एक टिप देने वाला हूं. दुनिया की कोई चीज आपको चाहिए, whether it's a movie, whether it's a software, whether it's a ebook और whether it's a tutorial, सब उस वेबसाइट पे मिलता है. सब कुछ मिलता है उस वेबसाइट पर. Everything. कोई ऐसा दुनिया का ई बुक नहीं है जो उस वेबसाइट पर ना मिले. अभी आपको बताता हूं, इट्स अ टॉरेंट वेबसाइट. ओके, द टू सॉफ्टवेयर विच आई वुड लाइक टू ओपन इज कॉल्ड Nmap and the second is called if you are a good hacker, what is that? Come on. One is called Nmap. Superscan. But what is the third thing? What's the third? Big name. No, it's not Zenmap. Zenmap is having only vulnerability with the Macintosh, but not with Linux. I'm talking about everything. कोई बात नहीं, मोबाइल पे बाद में सर्च कर लेना. ओके, इट्स ओके. एंग्री आईपी स्कैनर. कोई बात नहीं. हैकर के माइंड में बहुत शार्प होना चाहिए. बिकॉज वाई? क्योंकि अनलेस और व्हेन यू आर ऑन द फील्ड, you should know which tools I should be using, because over there you have seconds and you have to make the brain in a very good second mark, otherwise you will be caught by police. और पुलिस बहुत बुरी हाल करती है. ठीक है, very good. Which case you have solved?
कॉलेज है.
हाँ जी.
हैक हुआ था अभी रिसेंटली. पाकिस्तान का बंदा था, इसने हैक करा था. तो मैं नोएडा में बंदा वो ट्रैक हुआ है. तो उसका लिंक था पाकिस्तान से. उसने एक एज इन फ्रोजन आई थिंक डाला था.
चलिए ठीक है.
सर्वर में.
अगर आप हैकर हैं बेटा, आपने आयरन फिस्ट का तो नाम सुना होगा.
हाँ, आयरन फिस्ट, वो मूवी.
आयरन फिस्ट हैकर, आयरन फिस्ट, वो जो लीगल हैकर करता है, आपके सामने खड़ा है वो. आई एम आयरन फिस्ट. यस. Solution case is 117. I am basically a legal hacker. I work in the area of watermarking and forensics. Okay, मैं आपसे बाद में मिलता हूं. I will putting you in my team. So there are different threats by terrorist attack, bomb threat, theft, strike, and sabotage. What is sabotage? Recently कौन सा बेटा वेबसाइट हैक हुआ है? हाँ जी, रिसेंटली क्या हैक हुआ है? CES से 4 दिन पहले क्या हैक हुआ था? Sony Pictures by Koreans, and Korean has told Obama as a monkey. So after that was a sabotage attack. And even मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा, जेम्स बॉन्ड मूवीज एवरीबडी नोस, 2016 में जो जेम्स बॉन्ड मूवी आ रही है उसकी स्क्रिप्ट भी वो लोग हैक करके ले गए हैं. टेड 2 की स्क्रिप्ट भी उनके पास है. और इवन की अमेजिंग स्पाइडरमैन 3 का जो स्क्रिप्ट बन रहा था वो 2 दिन पहले उन्होंने डाला था, बट उन्होंने रोक दिया. अदरवाइज स्पाइडरमैन की लेटेस्ट मूवी भी हैक हो गई होती. सो अगर आपको लेटेस्ट जेम्स बॉन्ड मूवी की स्क्रिप्ट चाहिए तो आप देख सकते हैं, क्योंकि वहां पर अब वो फ्रीली अवेलेबल है ऑनलाइन. सो आफ्टर दैट वी हैव अ नेचुरल अटैक, वी हैव ऑर्गेनाइज्ड अटैक. कंप्यूटर इज नॉट वर्किंग. Okay, now anybody can tell me what is this? Packet spoofing. What is this?
स्पूफिंग मींस स्पूफ करना. पैकेज मींस अगर आप कोई डीएनएस स्पूफ कर रहे हो या फिर कुछ भी ऐसा स्पूफ करो तो आप पैकेज मतलब सेंस की.
Okay, now let me tell you. आप अपने कंप्यूटर को नेट पे कनेक्ट करते हैं. Everybody connects? You open a website called onlinesbi.com, isn't it? How you know that it is actual SBI? कैसे पता चला आपको SBI? मैं एक SBI का क्लोन बना लेता हूं, आपको डाल देता हूं. What is that? That's called phishing. So basically phishing आपकी spoofing से शुरू होती है. Because why? Because I spoof a website like the original one and divert your traffic to that hacking website, and you give me your credential and I will use that credential to hack your own bank website. Recently अभी PNB में से जो 17 लाख चोरी हुए थे वो ये IP स्पूफिंग की वजह से हुए थे. That was the answer.
आई थिंक आईसीआईसी बैंक में भी ये
Yes, हुआ था, बट अदरवाइज आईसीआईसी बैंक ने उसको रोक लिया था.
मैंने ही निकाला था आईसीआईसी.
नहीं, वो ठीक है, अच्छी बात है, बट अदरवाइज उन्होंने रोक लिया था इस चीज को. बिकॉज वाई? क्योंकि दे हैव डिमांडेड द हेल्प ऑफ मिस्टर वेंकटेश, जो वहां के लीगल हैकर हैं VIT यूनिवर्सिटी के. ही इज अ गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन. सो आफ्टर दैट वी हैव अ मॉरिस वर्म, वी हैव कोड रेड, बट रिसेंटली वर्म विच हैज कम. व्हाट वर्म हैज कम? हार्ट ब्लीड बग, which is the biggest one. Okay, so now let me shift myself to latest things. What is Android Auto? What is Android Auto? इस साल आ रहा है. What is Android Auto? Everybody use cars. कार में हम क्या यूज करते हैं? स्टीरियो फॉर लिसनिंग टू सॉन्ग्स. बट इफ यू वांट टू हैव अ GPS, हमें मैप माई इंडिया का यूज करना पड़ता है GPS. But if I say you, there is a company called Android Auto which has made a CPU system. You just connect your phone to that USB port with that auto everything from the GPS to songs to call calling, it has already been lifted to that. The latest thing, research on Android Auto. Research on Android Auto. Now, can anybody tell me what CES today has given to us? CES, Consumer Electronics Show. Every year it happens in the month of January. Keep a close eye over there. What technology you're going to feel in 2015, it is coming on that. What is announced by ASUS? Biggest declaration. हम भी परेशान आज तक हैं कि ये declaration हो कैसे गया. What ASUS has announced in terms of mobile communications. What is the name of the phone by ASUS? Zenfone. Zenfone 2 has been announced with 4 GB RAM. Ahead of even Note Edge. Okay, so let me give you one video of cyber security, and after that I will be giving you more tips. उसके बाद मैं आपको अपना कंप्यूटर दिखाना चाहूंगा.
Most of it is awesome. Some of it, not quite. Your business needs it to survive, let alone thrive. And for that to happen, you need to make sure this gets in and this stays out. At first, this was pretty obvious. So security would open ports for the good stuff and close ports for what wasn't. A simple firewall kept out the bad while letting in the good. But these guys got sneaky. They started directing bad stuff to the approved roads and burying it in approved traffic to sneak past filters.
With malware.
So that wall isn't so useful anymore, because it really didn't understand the traffic. You could build a wall that blocks more, but that would just hurt your business, and maybe create even more hassle for you. All of which still doesn't address the fact that this guy isn't telling you a thing, which leaves you in the dark and totally vulnerable. What if your firewall didn't just sit there, but went out and protected you? It can. While old security systems look for well-known threats within traffic that behaves predictably, Palo Alto Networks actively inspects, deconstructs, and identifies all traffic on all ports all the time, incoming or outgoing. So now malicious traffic gets blocked because it has no place to hide, while approved traffic always gets through. Plus, this is the genius part. Palo Alto Networks studies all traffic and files not on how they look,
Heuristic search
but on what they
inside
do.
data structures.
It tests unknown files in a safe environment to find malware that has never been seen before, then it remembers that for the future.
That's called
Smart,
sandboxing.
right? Plus, everything is presented to you in a clear, comprehensible interface, so you can always allow the applications you need, stop even the threats that are completely new or trying to hide, and know who's responsible for all traffic. Which means your business isn't just protected, it's empowered and safely enabled, and you have the tools you need.
So that's the answer. Which means today we have malwares. Now for MCA people, not for faculty people, can anybody, I will be going to tell you that what are the areas where you can take the training and where you can divert your attention towards career. Would you like to have it? First of all, I would like to divert your attention towards big data. If you want to go for training of 6 months with the companies, ma'am, they are going for training, etc. Yeah, 6 months training. So for that, I would like to recommend you with the 3 main technologies which you would like to divert. The first is called the big data, and try to have with 2 servers. One is called Apache Hadoop, and the second with the IBM Mindtree, with the IBM technology. Because why? Today we use Oracle, today we use SQL Server, but we don't use IBM DB2, IBM Tivoli. So these 2 softwares will be helping you out in industry, and they're all based on SOA, that is service oriented architecture. Okay, second area which I would like to open for you, that is cloud computing. Big area, very good area to work, and you can even configure own cloud, you can even configure Eucalyptus, and you can even work on Amazon EC2. Even those persons who are doing their PhDs into cloud computing, they can work on the area of load balancing, they can work on the area of security, they can work on the area of performance tuning. These are the main areas of cloud computing where they can work. And the third area, beta biggest area where I would like, if you're a good programmer, you know about C++, you know about Java, which I would like to recommend is Android apps development. Big area. This is the 3 main areas which you should focus, and you should try to take the training on over here. Okay, because you're living in Delhi, so there are different things. But fourth area which I would like to open, but it is not the area which we can see today, we can see in the area of 2 or 3 years after. The area is called embedded system and device driver programming. Embedded systems and device driver programming. Now, Can anybody tell me what is it?
Raspberry Pi.
Raspberry Pi. What is it?
It is a Linux.
आपने तो सारा सस्पेंस ही खत्म कर दिया.
Credit card side पे.
ओके. हाँ, वैसे ऊपर मैंने ये लोगो भी दिया हुआ है. सो ओके.
Actually, मैंने इस पे वर्क करा हुआ है काफी लॉन्ग टाइम से. आई थिंक 3 years से मैंने इस पे वर्क करा हुआ है.
यार बाहर आओ जरा. बाहर आओ. बाहर आओ. क्या नाम है तुम्हारा?
सूरज.
आजा बाहर. आजा. Like to honor you. आजा बाहर. I would like to shake hand with the biggest knowledgeable boy I have ever met. I have gone with almost 23 colleges across the country. Nobody has identified this device except your college and except this person. I am really honored to have this guy over here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So as he has told you that this is called a Raspberry Pi. It's a $25 computer. Okay. Now everybody will agree with me that if you want to purchase a laptop worth rupees 8 GB RAM, how much money you have to spend? Almost 72 to 76,000 rupees, because I have purchased HP laptop that is J133TX. I have spent 82,000 on that with 4 GB graphics card. But I will tell you that if you combine these Raspberry Pis and you can have the money about 22,000 rupees, you can take home your own supercomputer with not 8 GB or 128 GB RAM, but with 1 terabytes of RAM. Yes. It's a Raspberry Pi. It's a powerful computer. Now, my question to Suraj, खड़ा हो जा. अब मैं तेरे को घेरे में लेता हूं जरा. Raspberry Pi के competitors कौन-कौन से? आगे घेरे में?
अभी तो मैंने यूज सिर्फ Raspberry Pi
ना,
इसमें भी.
अगर तुम Raspberry Pi के लवर हो तो तुम्हें 3 competitors के पता होने चाहिए कि तुम इसके competitors में क्या. What is the competitor of these Raspberry Pi? Raspberry Pi is worth rupees 2250, but I'm talking of a competitor which is having 512 MB RAM and it is having 1 GHz processor, octa-core processor, and again you can say with a good HDMI connectivity with 4 USB ports. What are the 3 competitors to this? And सबसे बड़ी बात उसमें ये, this device is worth 2200 rupees, but that device is costing 700 rupees. What is that? What are the 3 competitors?
Microsoft.
No. Microsoft तो अभी मार्केट में नहीं आया.
अभी नहीं है.
They have not launched, but the main thing is that Flipboard के ऊपर उन्होंने काफी कुछ हंगामा भी किया उस चीज के ऊपर, but otherwise वो चीज अभी भी sun के अंडर नहीं है. I will not say that it is under sun, but again it is under that's called alpha testing, even not in the beta testing, because Raspberry Pi को अगर तुम देखो तो Kino for kids, it is already the alpha stage, beta stage, but now it is available for kids for doing small projects, and even kids are using it for microprocessor, for word processing, and even for printing also, and even for website development also. But what are the 3 competitors? जो 600 रुपए में आपको मिल जाएंगे. दिल्ली में तो आराम से मिल जाएंगे RS कंपोनेंट से. ओके, बैठ जाओ. कोई बात नहीं, बंदे को चुप कराना आता है मेरे को. ठीक है. द फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर इज कॉल्ड मैंगो पाई. द सेकंड इज कॉल्ड बनाना पाई. द थर्ड इज कॉल्ड द गोवा पाई. फ्रूट रास्पबेरी है ना, फ्रूट इज कॉल्ड रास्पबेरी. सो कंपनीज क्या करती हैं, इवन की अभी तो एक रिसेंट एक अनाउंसमेंट भी हो रहा है कि इंटेल भी अपने एक पाई पर काम कर रहा है, दैट दे वांट टू गो विद ऑरेंज पाई.
आई थिंक ये सारी चाइनीज कंपनीज हैं.
सारी चाइनीज तो है ही है, आजकल चाइनीज का बोलबाला है यार.
रोल है तो तभी 600 में मिल रहा है.
तभी 600 में मिल रहा है, लेकिन अदरवाइज जो कंपोनेंट्स इसमें हैं वो आपको बहुत अच्छे मिलेंगे.
इसमें बेस्ट है. मैंने लाइनक्स में काली बैटरैक वो वर्क करा हुआ है इस पर.
बिल्कुल, मैं आपको भी प्रोजेक्ट दिखाता हूं. मैंने अपना एक प्रोजेक्ट भी बनाया. यू कैन हैव अ टॉकिंग स्क्रीन कैलेंडर विद यू कैन हैव अ 1 TB हार्ड डिस्क. यू कैन इवन एक्ट एज अ प्रोग्रामिंग टेक्नोलॉजी विद पाइथन, C++, बिकॉज इन लिनक्स वी हैव GCC कंपाइलर. यू कैन यूज दैट.
इसमें व्हाट्सएप बॉट यूज करा है.
व्हाट्सएप बाउट इज गुड,
बट
हाँ, व्हाट्सएप इज गुड, बट अदरवाइज प्रॉब्लम उसमें है कि यहां पर फिर आपका सिक्योरिटी QR कोड स्कैनिंग का प्रॉब्लम आ जाता है. यस, दैट्स अ प्रॉब्लम इन दैट. यही प्रॉब्लम को हम इसके ऊपर वर्क कर रहे हैं. दैट्स अ मेन प्रॉब्लम. सो व्हिच ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम यू हैव यूज्ड?